Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to restart or soft reset this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. Settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it. Then scroll down and look for the general option and tap on it. General, right here. And in the general menu you will see the restart option. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the rebooting process is complete. And I believe we're back in the system. Yeah, we are. And that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.